Alright, so this is late afternoon on the April 14th, 2013. This is Ridgecrest Boulevard off of Brown Road West. And we're at the corner of 3rd Street that we're about to turn on. And it's blowing. And here is the south of the property over on 3rd Street. And then we're going to drive down 3rd Street. So here's what this property is doing to us when it gets windy. We are looking out to the west of 3rd Street as we go down here, and this is a typical windy evolution. I'd like to say that this is a strong wind, but this is just a normal afternoon spring desert wind here that we have all the time. So I'm going to pan across 3rd Street and over to my house. We're pointed right at my house, not that you can see it, and this is what we're getting up to. So we're getting pretty close to, there you go, you can see the house. A little gust of wind went away there for a second or two. So here we go, back across. Here's the property again. And looking down 3rd Street. I think you can probably hear the sand hitting the car. Luckily, we're in my son's 1993 Ford Explorer. Otherwise, we wouldn't be out and about, because I'm not about to put our vehicles out in this kind of go. So we're going to speed up here and get down the road, and then I'm going to go up on 14 and see if we can't get a better feel for how this looks from the valley. Thanks. Bye. So here we are at the top of 14, right above Inyokern. There's the airport, and it's windy, so I'm kind of talking loud. Sorry about that, but I'm panning across Inyokern here and just going across and giving you a good feel for how the desert looks in this wind, and then come across and coming across, and there we go. There's the dust field that is right on the corner of Ridgecrest and 3rd Street. And here we are going south past it in the desert. And then I'm going to go back north across again to try to have you get a good feel of what is actually going on. Thanks.